If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications as new videos come out. Hey guys, I don't know why I'm talking quietly, it's because Angelina's still sleeping because it's quite early. As you can tell by the fact I've got messy hair and still wearing my glasses, not got my contact lenses in. So I don't know why I'm talking quietly, even though you definitely can't hear me. However, I just thought I'd come out and show you the morning, because sometimes it's just wonderful to be thankful for what's right on your doorstep. So I thought I'd share it with you. Isn't it lovely? Might be December, but the sun's out, birds are tweeting. Beautiful, crisp, clear skies today. It's actually quite mild, which will help with the heating bill. Not a bad place to wake up, is it? I like taking all this stuff in. I think if there's anything we've all learnt from this year, is to appreciate what's around you on the doorstep. Not that I ever didn't, I think I just do a bit more now. Morning duckies. What are you doing? Today's going to be a great day. Today, Billy and I are going off for more filming for our upcoming project, Chateau Rescue. But while we're out, I'm going to go see somewhere which is quite special. It's now called Pegasus Bridge, and it's actually the first place in France which was liberated on the 6th of June 1944. Hello.
Look at Phil, Dr. Dolittle. The Duck Whisperer. Oh no, they've all gone now.
We all know of 6th of June 1944 and the D-Day landing beaches, but not all of us know that wasn't the first place the Allied forces gained control of land in occupied Europe. And this is where it first took place. This is now known as Pegasus Bridge, the first bridge over the Caen Canal, and Operation Deadstick is what took this. Right now, I am stood on the first piece of land liberated just after midnight, about 1:15 or so, on the 6th of June 1944. And it's here where the glider landed so they could storm up and secure Pegasus Bridge. You can see here in this picture just how close to the bridge the gliders landed. And here's that spot today. This is Pegasus Bridge, or as it's called now anyway, and it's the bridge over the Caen Canal, the first place that they needed to take to be able to cross a large body of water. If they didn't take this and hold it, then it would be irrelevant how many of the guys got up the beaches, because they would just be stuck here, couldn't get across, and then of course the German reinforcements could come in from behind. It's called Pegasus Bridge now after the emblem of the airborne forces that came in to take it. This of course isn't the original, it's been enlarged, the original's now in the museum, but across there what you can see is the first house liberated in France, and it was then used to nurse the soldiers back to health while they were fighting here, and of course that is now what we all know as the Pegasus Cafe. So obviously I've actually been here on the 70th anniversary of D-Day, and I actually enjoyed a drink here and some food as the cafe, and to think that this is the first house in France liberated in World War II. This is the Pegasus Memorial, and it's closed, it's France, it's Sunday, but here is a complete replica of a horse glider, and these are what they came across the channel in, loaded up. They could take, I think, 30 people in total, or that's 2 pilots and 28 guys, or it could take a jeep and a certain amount of people. And they were designed to come into places like this where you didn't have to take off afterwards. They were disposable, and that's what they had to do here, literally crashing into the banks to be able to take the bridge as quickly as possible so no one blew it up and mission was aborted. I'm not 100% sure I would want to have been towed across the channel and then landing just after midnight, knowing full well what was going to happen, and not at sort of 21. As I said, the bridge down there is not the original bridge. It's been enlarged for bigger traffic these days, but here it is, fully restored in the museum. And I've been fortunate enough to be here when some of the guys on one of the anniversaries who actually helped take this bridge were here. And it might look like a restored metal bridge to some people, but I've seen the emotion it brings out to others. Having taken this bridge, they held it for reinforcements to arrive, who parachuted in. They held the bridge under attack, which allowed the forces from Sword Beach, just down the road, to advance. If it wasn't for holding these bridges, German reinforcements would have driven the invasion force on the beaches back into the sea, just like they did in Dunkirk in 1940. It all came at a cost, but one we all remember. It allowed us the freedoms we all know and enjoy today. Looking around at the ages on these tombstones puts into perspective what we're going through today and the sacrifices to normal life we're currently making. And it's for that reason I thank them for what they did then and what they're doing now to remind us that we will get through what's currently going on in the world.
And as always, a special thanks to our VIP tier patrons. If you'd like to become a patron, then simply head over to the link in the description. That will open the page with all the membership levels, where you can read what each tier level offers. Also, a special thanks to anyone who buys us a coffee. Again, the link would be in description comments, and you can have a read our bio. And if you'd like to buy us a coffee, head over to the link to buy as many coffees as you'd like and leave us a message. We love reading all the comments sent to us with the coffees. If you like this episode, then don't forget to subscribe and check out the other episodes suggested coming up on screen now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.